How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to cover the Alley upgrade on our KForce Micro 21 series mini light bars. So first up here, I have our amber KForce Micro 21 TIR, and you'll see that this is an all amber model. Now it does have the MultiColor Alley upgrade, so when you activate your Alley lights, you'll notice that those will go to steady burn clear. So you'll see that you can get a steady burn work light in your all amber mini light bar, and again, that's our KForce Micro 21 TIR. And then moving over here, I brought our multicolored KForce Micro 21 Linear in a red-blue color setup. And you'll see here that your MultiColor Alley flashes with the primary color being red in this model, and then your secondary color is clear. So that module will flash back and forth between the primary and secondary color. And again, with the MultiColor Alley upgrade, your Alley will be the primary color, and then your secondary color will be the clear. So then when you activate your Alley, those will go to steady burn clear like you see here, and then your light bar will still flash in its multicolor functionality. And we do offer that model in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And then moving over here, I brought a custom KForce Micro 21 TIR, and again, this is an all amber model. Now the difference here, it has the MultiColor Alley upgrade, and then it also has two multicolor takedowns added as well. And this was built using our Customize a Light Bar tool on the product page. So you'll see that you can add alleys and takedowns to your mini light bar if you would like to. So you'll see that that covers multiple options from our KForce Micro 21 TIR to our multicolor KForce Micro 21 Linear as well. So you'll see that we have plenty of options for you when it comes to the mini light bars and their functionality. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.